crimping thick battery cables by hand and getting weak, sloppy connections? There's a better way. Today I'm comparing the best hydraulic crimping tool options for automotive, marine, solar, and industrial jobs. We'll look at crimping range, tonnage, die sets, and ease of use. My quick take? The AMZCNC is the best overall, but if speed matters, the Swansoft Electric is a game changer. Let's dive in. Kicking things off, the AMZCNC hydraulic crimping tool is a proven bestseller. It crimps from 10 to 300 square millimeters with a strong 8-ton hydraulic force. The rotating crimp head makes it easy to reach awkward angles. You get 9 die sizes plus a durable carrying case in the box. The only downside is the manual pumping takes a little muscle. Still, for reliable everyday crimps, it's the best overall pick here. Next up is the Brileine hydraulic crimping tool, designed for comfort. Its ergonomic grip makes long jobs easier on your hands. It covers 10 to 300 square millimeters with a steady 8-ton crimp. The head rotates a full 180 degree and die changes are quick and simple. It's not made for very large cables, so keep that in mind. But for electrical maintenance and battery terminals, it's a comfortable, dependable choice. Coming in at number 3, the Yuzes hydraulic crimping tool brings more options. Its biggest perk is up to 13 die sizes, giving you serious versatility. It handles 10 to 300 square millimeters with 8 tons of hex crimping force. Those clean hexagonal crimps are perfect for electrical wiring and cable lugs. The storage case is a bit bulkier thanks to the extra dies, but if you want the widest die selection, this one wins. Next on the list is the AMZCNC-YQK0000, the heavy hitter of the group. It crimps a massive 16 to 400 square millimeters with a powerful 12-ton force. The heavy-duty steel body is built for big industrial cables. A rotating hydraulic head helps you work in tighter spots. It's heavier than standard models, so it's not for casual use. But for large cable industrial work, it's the best heavy-duty option here. Up next, the GudeKeen hydraulic crimping tool focuses on rugged durability. Its hardened steel construction is made to last through years of tough jobs. It crimps 10 to 300 square millimeters with a solid 8-ton force. The hydraulic action stays smooth across both residential and industrial electrical work. It's a touch heavier, so your arm might feel it after a while. But for a long service life, it's a dependable, hard-working workhorse. Halfway through our best hydraulic crimping tool lineup, the Sinuk hydraulic crimping tool packs in extra value. Along with the crimper, you get a handy cable cutter in the kit. It covers 10 to 300 square millimeters with 8 tons of force. The head rotates 180 degree, and the whole thing is easy to operate. The included cutter is a bit basic, so don't expect heavy-duty cutting. But as a value package, it's hard to beat. Coming up, the Swansoft electric hydraulic crimping tool changes the game. Instead of pumping, it uses one-button automatic crimping powered by a lithium battery. It handles 16 to 300 square millimeters with 6 to 8 tons of force. This means way faster crimps and far less hand fatigue. The trade-off is a higher purchase price than manual tools. But for high-volume pros, it's the best professional option on the list. Next up is the Growish hydraulic cable crimping tool, a versatile all-rounder. It works with both copper and aluminum terminals across many different types. It crimps 10 to 300 square millimeters with a steady 8-ton force. Multiple interchangeable dies make it great for automotive, marine, and solar wiring. The storage case could be a little sturdier, honestly, but for the price and overall flexibility, it's a really good value pick. Number 9. Aikyciu Hydraulic Crimping Tool. Almost there. The Aikyciu Hydraulic Crimping Tool is all about easy handling. Its compact, lightweight design makes it simple to carry and store. It still crimps a full 10 to 300 square millimeters at 8 tons. You get 9 dies and a head that rotates 180 degrees for tricky spots. It's a lesser-known brand, so it doesn't have big name recognition. But for portable, no fuss crimping, it's a smart little tool. Closing out our list, the BLIKA hydraulic crimping tool stands out with its dies. The stainless steel dies resist corrosion and stay sharp over time. It crimps 10 to 300 square millimeters with a reliable 8-ton force. The head rotates 180 degrees, and the build feels solid and durable. It sits at a slightly premium price compared to some rivals. But for consistent, long-lasting crimps, it's a great way to finish. So that's my full rundown. For the best hydraulic crimping tool overall, the AMZCNC is my top pick, while the Swansoft Electric wins for busy pros. All the links are in the description below. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which crimper caught your eye? Drop a comment. Catch you next time.